Okay, this is where all the funs begin. We are going to compare the Pocket and the Titan side by side. Okay, so what's changed? The volume keys from here, from the right of the phone, they switch to the left, and they move down the SIM card tray. The convenience key has been moved to the top instead of the bottom. Okay, something to do with the way you hold your phone, because when you're holding your phone, look at the thumb and the whatever finger is behind here. Usually it's the middle finger. So it's the correct height, but it is also, of course, it's also the same correct height here. Yeah. Then the other height will be the convenience key. So they have did a very good job in terms of the ergonomics. Okay. Another thing that is a very good change right here is the removal of the indentation where it goes into the sensor. So it's more convenient to clean the sensor, so you don't have the warning that, oh, when the phone is calling, if someone is calling, the screen turns black and everything, and you can't get it to work, so you have to clean the sensor. Same thing for the front camera, is flush right now, so it's definitely easier to clean. Okay, at the top of the phone, okay, we still have the headphone jack, and we have the additional IR blaster. This is very important. You can use it to control your fan, your aircon, your television, whatever, through the IR port. The Pocket still have NFC, and I think it's quite convenient to be able to use your contactless payment. So let's focus now on the keyboard. The layout looks similar. So we have the row of the function keys and 3 rows of text, but they actually bring out the number pad from the right side to the left side. This is it's more like a BlackBerry, but we have a problem here. Okay, this is correct. I mean, on the Titan, I actually have to swap the Alt and the Shift key. So in the setting, we have to swap the Alt and Shift key. So when I'm pressing Alt, I can access the number keys here. So in this design, right, I do have to switch it around, because the Alt, we press it down here and we can type the numbers here. So symbol wise, okay, since I didn't use a lot of the symbols from the original Titan, so I don't think it's going to affect me by a lot. Some of them are still the same, like for example your exclamation mark and your @ sign. Hash key center the open and close brackets, your star key, but some of those others, because the keyboard has swapped around, so there is going to be some difference. Okay, for this tool belt, I mean, last time I think the BlackBerry used to call it a tool belt. Okay, for this tool belt, we have the addition of 2 more keys. So we have an extra function key and a symbol key. So I heard somewhere that the function key functions exactly the same as the magic key, the red key, whatever it's called, and they actually uses the same material, same design as the original Titan, which I am very worried about, because if you take a look at my Titan, the fingerprint sensor has peeled, and this happened quite early on, and this has cracked, has gone missing already. Okay, but thankfully this is a very rugged phone. I use it, of course, without a case, so, and nothing wrong, no screen protector, so that there is not scratch. Okay, so one of the improvement that I found when setting up the Pocket is that they actually improve the fingerprint reader. It is not due to my wear and tear here, but when sometimes we have some sweat or the finger is not clean enough, we cannot unlock the phone. We have to use a passcode to unlock, and that's the reason I have to wear a smartwatch to keep it unlocked. So for the Titan, I realized that when that happens to our finger, it still detects. Actually, I'm quite sweaty right now. Okay, it still detects well. So let me try on the Pocket and on the Titan. It's not detected. See, so I think this is a major improvement, and I'll be very happy with that, because I struggle with all my payments app and all my banking app. Okay, so bottom, we have the same USB-C. Now at the back, I didn't test which one is the real speaker, but I assume only one of it is working. We have to test it out. Okay, so at the back, similar layout, camera, and only one module, camera, your flash, whatever, and your speaker. So one problem with the old design is that even though this is curved downwards, when you put the phone face flat on the surface, sound can come out from the side. But if you put it on the bed or something soft, it may be covered up. So we have this additional lid thickness. It's not a lot, but I am hoping that it will help. I'll do a test of all this thing in the next video. So for today, that's all we'll go through for the phone side, and we'll just take a look briefly at what's inside the box. Okay, so I was so happy to receive the box. We don't have to take a look at the sides. I mean, it's just standard work. Okay, inside assumed to be all your standard paperwork. I think the SIM tool is the inside also. I haven't opened up anything here. Okay, the SIM tool is here. Additional screen protector and all your paperwork. Not gonna use any of that. Okay, of course it's the one that wraps your phone, and we have a charger and the cable. Okay, I think this is the same charging standard as the Titan itself, and it has a slightly smaller battery, so it should be charging faster. Okay, so that's all for today. Oh, I'll be doing a series of videos about the Pocket. So in the next video, I'll be doing the first look. I'll be trying to do some comparison, what I find different from the Titan, because I think most of you are interested. If you are a Titan user, you must be interested about the Pocket. So I'll do some testing, and after that we'll do some I'll introduce my setup for the Titan and also for the Pocket, and to see that if the setup here works for here. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.